Hi, this is Kathy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with folders and files in Google Drive. Right now, I am in my Google Drive, and these are folders that I have. Normally, when you make a folder, the folder icon's gray. If I wanted to make a folder in here, I would click New, Folder, and I would give it a name. I'm not going to change the name. And here's the folder right here. I'm going to click off of it. See how that folder icon is gray? To change the color of a folder icon, you right-click and choose Change Color. Click the color that you like, then click off of it. You can see it a little bit better. And if you don't like that color, you want to make it a different color, right-click, choose Change Color, and choose a different color. To delete a folder, click it once. You can press Delete on your keyboard, or you can come up here and click the Remove button. To open a folder, you point and you double-click. So this is a folder within a folder, which is called a subfolder, and these are files within a folder. If you look at the icon, that kind of identifies the type of file. So this is an icon for a Google Docs word processing file. This is an icon for a PDF file. This is an icon for a Google Sheets file. I'm going to open weekly assignments, and I'm going to make a new folder. New folder, and I'm going to call it Week 4. Create. And I'm going to make it red to match the color of the other weekly folders. And then now I'm going to copy a file into that folder. So I'm going to go back to last semester's class for week 4, and I'm going to copy a file from there. All right, so I'm going to copy this. So to copy a file, you could right-click and click Make a Copy. The name of the copied folder will have the words copy of in front of it. Now I'm going to move that into this semester's folder. A couple ways you can do that. You can click this arrow to expand the drive, and I want to put it into week 4. So I can drag it into week 4 like that. I just did the keyboard shortcut for undo because I put the wrong file in there. I put this one. I want the copy. Okay, so anyways, you can drag it, or you can right-click and say Move to, and then navigate to it. So whichever way you find easier. I'm clicking the back button, the back arrow. So I want to go to this folder, and now I'm double-clicking, put it in the weekly assignments folder, and then put it in the week 4 folder. And then click Move here. All right, so I'm going to go to that folder now. There it is. That's the only file in the folder. Now I'm going to rename it. Right-click and choose Rename. And I just want to get rid of the copy of text. And then click OK. Okay, now I'm going to go here, just looking at these course files, and I'm going to show you another way to display these. So these are displayed in a list right now. Over here, you can display these in grid view, which displays thumbnails of the files. So right now we're looking at grid view. I'm going to click course files because I have more files and folders. For folders, instead of a thumbnails view, it shows you a small icon of the folder and the name of the folder. And then these are files that are in this course files folder. So you have a choice to be in grid view or list view. That's list view. And now I'm going to close my drive here. Just going to collapse it so you can't see everything over here in this left navigation pane. When you click right here, if somebody has shared a file with you or a folder, you would click there to access it. That's one way to access it. If you have any Google photos that you've synced, you can view them here. If you want to find something that you recently worked on, you click Recent. If you've starred anything, you would click here and it would show in this box. Here you can look at your trash. Down here it tells you how much storage you've used, and if you want to upgrade storage. And down here it says Get Drive for PC. That will allow you to download Google Drive on your PC so you can work on it without having online access. And then when you are online, it will sync with your files online. The new button up here, when you click it, it allows you to make a new folder, upload a file, upload a folder, make a new Google Docs file, a Google Sheets file, a Google Slides file, and there's some more options here. You can make a Google form, a drawing, maps. Okay, let me know if you have any questions on how to create a folder. Again, you can use a new button. And if, for instance, I click new and make a folder, now it's going to be put into my drive. If you want to put it into a certain folder, you have to open the folder. So remember, I opened this folder and then I double clicked on weekly assignments to create this folder right here. When I click new and I use one of these options, make a folder, upload a file, for instance, it's going to go into this folder right here. So this is called a path. This right here is the path. The weekly assignments folder is in the One Course Fall 2016 folder, which is in the Course Files folder, which is in the My Drive folder. If I double click on the Week 4 folder, that's going to show up in this path, and that means that this Google Docs file is in this folder. And then over on the right, this is the activity pane. You can click here to close it. To open it back up, click right there. So it just kind of shows you what you've done with your files recently. So here it says I renamed an item, and you saw me do that. I moved an item. Tells you the time. All right, I'm going to close this again. This is used to sort your files. You can sort them by name, modified date, modified by me, or last opened by me. You can also click these titles to sort. So I just sorted on the modified date. You can sort by name. When you sort by name, it sorts the folders first, and then it sorts the files, just like you'd see in the Windows operating system when you're working with your files and your folders. Over here, this gear it takes you to the Google Drive settings. Up here, there's a search box, so you can search, for instance, for PDF files, text files, etc. This allows you to access Google Drive apps, and click more and it shows you additional ones, and then you can click even more from Google to see even more. If you have any questions about working with folders and files, please email me at kvanpelt.csit137@gmail.com. Thank you.